So, after months of leaks flooding the internet and rumor mills going wild, Google has finally made it official. The Pixel 10 series is real. And yep, the launch date is exactly what I told you in my earlier videos, August 20th, 2025. The big reveal is set for 1 p.m. ET in New York City, and this isn't going to be your average low-key tech drop. In the official invite, Google teases the latest on our Pixel phones, watches, buds, and more. But let's be honest, we all know this show is going to be dominated by the Pixel 10 lineup, which is shaping up to be Google's most feature-packed release yet. Kicking things off, we've got the Pixel 10, and this time, Google's not playing it safe. It's reportedly ditching the old dual-camera setup and stepping up to a triple-camera system, finally putting it on par with other flagship heavyweights. Then comes the Pixel 10 Pro, armed with Google's all-new Tensor G5 chip, a serious leap forward in performance, battery efficiency, and AI integration. The Pixel 10 Pro XL, offering the same high-end features as the Pro, but in a bigger, beefier frame. But the real shocker? The upcoming Pixel 10 Pro Fold is expected to become the first foldable on the market with a full IP68 rating. That means full-on dust and water resistance, something no other foldable, not even Samsung's, has nailed yet. Now let's get into the pricing because this might actually surprise you. According to reliable tipster Roland Quant, the Pixel 10 will start at €899, which is around $980 for the 128GB version. The Pixel 10 Pro jumps to €1,099, which is around $1,200, while the larger Pixel 10 Pro XL comes in at €1,299, which is $1,420, but starts with 256GB of storage, with no 128GB variant this time. Sitting at the top, the foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold is expected to launch at a hefty €1,899 or $2,075 for 256GB. What do you guys think about the Pixel 10 lineup? Are you hyped or holding out? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.